Foodie Chef Pete here, and you know what? Today is boneless grilled pork chop. Today I'm going to make in the Pizza's kitchen on our Breville grill and press. Okay, so let's set these aside and let's start because, oh wait, you know, I forgot to tell you. I had a question about pork chops. What seasonings besides salt and pepper go well on pork chops? Well, sage, thyme, rosemary, garlic, parsley. Use any combination or all of them. I use a little different, and I'll show you when we get to it. I will tell you as we put them. Okay, so we're not ready to place these on our grill yet, but what we're going to do is start by making our veggies on the other side. We always get our veggies going first because the meat will cook quicker. Okay, so I'm cutting up some onion here, and I'm cutting up some onion, and we're going to get some onion over on our grill over here. There, oh boy, we got the grill sound. Everybody, we got the grill sound. Okay, got our onion going. But you can put whatever kind of vegetables you like to do. I've got a little cabbage today. Here's a little piece of cabbage. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this so it is kind of on the thin side, so I can just get him right there like that. Look at that. Look at that, everybody. Yeah. Oh boy, we're getting it. We're getting it on. Okay. Let's get some more cabbage over here.
Definitely smell that.
And then I've got some yellow squash here. I'm going to cut up some yellow squash. And we'll just cut that into some nice thin pieces. The thinner you cut things, the quicker they'll cook, okay? That's a little tip. But you cut it any way you like. Just remember, it's going to take a little longer the thicker you make your veggies, right? Okay. And I think I'm going to give it a little olive oil on top. There's a little olive oil, just like this, before we season it up. Oh, now it's making noises. Okay, and I think we'll put some pepper here. Let's put some yellow pepper today. And we'll just cut some yellow pepper up, just like this. And
you mean orange? Is that orange or yellow?
I mean yellow. This is orange, Anthony. Yes, Okay, so we're gonna get this in here, and we'll just cut him this way. Okay, and now we got some color going here, right? Okay, now let's get our orange, since I got yellow up first, and let's just cut us a little bit of orange in there.
You mean yellow?
This is yellow. We already put orange. Today we're playing what color is the pepper? Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna get some of these in here. All right. There we go. Okay. Alrighty, so let's season these up and get them cooking really good here. Alrighty, let's start with our veggies, and let's get some salt, a little pepper. There we go. A little garlic powder. There we go. And because these are veggies and we're an Italian household and Greek household here, a little Italian seasoning today. There we go. Okay, now we're going to let those cook up over there. And while they're cooking, we are going to come over here and we are going to move our boards around and bring our meat over here. Okay, so here we have our pork chops. At the beginning I said sage, thyme, rosemary, garlic, parsley, salt, pepper in addition. So let's get some garlic on here. Let's get some pepper. You don't have to go a lot, but put as much or as little as you like. I'm gonna put some thyme today, a little thyme.
Parsley, sage, rosemary.
Yeah, well I didn't put any rosemary. There we go. Now let's get these on our grill, just like this. There's a little.
That grill is hot. I can feel it.
Little one there and another one there. Okay, now we got them. Now we're going to season them again when we flip them over. At least that's what I like to do. Okay.
Yeah, we got grilling going here.
Okay, so now I'm going to dry my hands here. And this is a good way to keto eat if you're going to eat. Keto style, because I didn't put any potato, I didn't put any starch, so what we're getting is whatever starch comes out of the squash. We've got our beautiful veggies going here, and let's get our two mixing tools here and kind of make sure we got everything going here. Everybody hear that? Oh boy, huh?
Yeah, I can feel it.
Pretty hot, everyone. But we want to cook things and we want to grill cook them here. There we go. We're just going to kind of
That's really something.
mix them slightly. Here we go. And then I got all of this on here. I think I'm going to give it just a little more olive oil right here, right across it like that. Okay. There we go. And we got, over on this side we have our chops going. Over on that side we have our veggies going. And today we're doing grilled pork chops. So, we'll be back and we'll show you how this is all cooking out and what the next steps would be. Because I'm going to get these flipped over after they're half done. And I'm going to get these steamed done. I'm going to put lids on everything. And there we've got it. Grill cooking the Breville Press and Grill. Here we go. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzas. We'll see you back in a few with the next episode of finishing up our pork chops and then plating on the dish. Okay, Pete out.